What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your Technoboy, and today I'm going to unbox another 2.1 multimedia speakers. Well, this is the one, and this thing is from KALL, an Indian brand. Well, they say is a South Indian brand, and this company makes mobile phones and home theater speakers, Bluetooth speakers, and all the stuff. Well, this is a 2.1, not a 4.1, as the picture is here. Like they have this same design with three models, and this is the 4.1, this is 2.1, and that's also 2.1. The model is IK404, that's for 4.1, and IK22 2.1, this is the one, that one, so the tick is here, and IK44. So it's like these three models have the same design of box packing, so all the pictures are here. So now let's check some specs. Output power 20 watt subwoofer, 10 watt speaker, and speaker size main unit 4 inch. This thing has a 4 inch main subwoofer and 3 inch satellite speakers as usual. So impedance is 4 ohms and satellites 8 ohms. Frequency and all the stuff, FM frequency, and power supply 180 volts to 260 volt 50 hertz, and input output jack, RCA jack. So that's it. And controls provided, this thing has volume control and the bass and also the treble control, so that's a very nice thing. And also this thing has Bluetooth, so it's like a complete package. And price is very small. If I tell you, you might not believe that. And the price is like 1400 only. Can you believe that? So here the price is written like 2499, but that's not the actual price. You'll get it for only 1400 on Amazon. So let's quickly unbox this thing and check the stuff out. So that's the top side. It's covered in a nice foam sheet. Remove this. As a 2 channel speakers and the warranty card with all the speaker models on it. So that's the one speaker. Let me open this. Well, that's the one speaker, channel speaker with the RCA jack. Well, I must say the cord length is very short, and it looks good. Not, you didn't get any premium feel or high quality things like that, but plastic quality is good, and the finishing is like okay, not that great. So that's the another channel, a 3 inch woofer. And you get a RCA cable, RCA to 3.5 mm jack cord, a small remote control, now let's take the big boy out of the box. That's the one. So we don't need this box anymore. That's the main unit. It's quite heavy, and let's open this thing. So that's the main unit, and the front you get this nice design, and plastic quality is good, but the black finish is like okay, not that much great. So that's the volume control, and there's the bass control and treble control, and few buttons are there to control the FM and the USB. And here that's the display, and that's the ear passing port. And as I can see, this is like the old Mercury design, as we have seen in the 2.1 Mercury home theater, that the subwoofer stays inside. At the middles, 2 chambers are there, like one chamber is here, another one is here, and the subwoofer stays here, facing towards the back, and the port is connected to this chamber, so it produces a bass here and throughout the ear through the pipe from this chamber. So that's the old design. So this is like bandpass enclosure, subwoofer enclosure, and the good thing is that this thing gives you a very deep bass, a heavy bass, which I like. Like I had that Mercury home theater long back, so this thing provides very good bass. So now enough of talking. Let's connect this thing and check the sound of it. Visions of you. So that's the totally flat sound, no bass and treble is there. So now I'm going to turn the treble on first so you can hear the changes in the channel speakers. Then I'm going to turn on the bass. So you heard the song, that's very good, and this thing has a heavy bass as I told you before. And so that's it. That was an unboxing and testing video of this iCALL 2.1 home theater, which is a very good one. I suggest for this much price, you will not get any home theater at this price. Well, the sound quality is good, but not like Philips or any hi-fi brand like that, but it's not that bad. It's very good sound. So if you have a low budget, you can go for this home theater. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.